We are not in competition with India, but we love our freedom and we love our autonomy. And we will not allow India to bully us.
हमारे अखबार वाले भी लिखते थे, पाकिस्तान के पास भी न्यूक्लियर है। तो हमारे पास क्या है भाई? ये दिवाली के लिए रखा है क्या?
18th May 1974.
Switching command to internal.
Range ready?
Ready.
India reached a historic milestone after successfully conducting its first ever nuclear test in Rajasthan's Pokhran. Bomb was detonated on the army base Pokhran test range in Rajasthan by the Indian Army under the supervision of several key Indian generals. It was the first confirmed nuclear weapons test by a nation outside the 5 permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. What happened next was history. Operation Smiling Buddha gained international attention because with this successful achievement as a feather in their cap, India had become the first nation apart from the 5 permanent UNSC members: China, Russian Federation, France, the United Kingdom and the United States to conduct the test. But after the test, developed nations including the US imposed tough sanctions on India, and the reason they stated was that nuclear tests like the one conducted in Pokhran can lead to nuclear proliferation. Former Pakistani Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto had declared in the 1970s that Pakistan will eat grass and even go hungry, but it will develop its own atom bomb. These words muttered decades ago are finding new meaning today. Why? Because the country is in shambles. With the recent economic and political distress marred by regular protests, food scarcity and other issues, Pakistan has lost its stability. Today, Pakistan has its nuclear bombs and its people are hungry too. Fast forward 50 years. For the first time in 25 years, the Indian nuclear weapons stockpiled has surpassed that of Pakistan. Since 1998, Pakistan has always had more nukes than India. In 2001, India had around 32 nukes and Pakistan had around 36. By 2005, Pakistan's arsenal increased to 40, while India was at 35. From 2005 to 2015, Pakistan's arsenal grew 3 times from 40 to 120 and India's from 35 to 110. India was always behind Pakistan. This changed in the latest SIPRI report. Pakistan's arsenal did not expand in the last year, but India seems to have added 8 warheads. The leading global tracker has assessed that India now has 172 warheads against 170 estimated to be with Pakistan. The SIPRI report said India has 172 stored nuclear warheads as per January 2024, 2 more than Pakistan. With the world witnessing 2 wars in the past 2 years, an analysis by SIPRI found that 9 nuclear-armed nations, including India, Pakistan and China, continued to modernize their nuclear arsenals. Neither India nor Pakistan have used nuclear weapons in conflict, but many experts fear that the ongoing crisis could escalate beyond conventional weapons use. Pakistan's nuclear policy has remained the same for years, which is to deter India. However, India has evolved its foreign policy over the years, which focuses more on China now than Pakistan. Beijing is the 3rd largest nuclear power in the world. They have 40 nuclear warheads, which is more than twice India's arsenal. So India's nuclear expansion is not directed entirely at Pakistan. It is more about deterring China. India's arsenal has seen an expansion of 72% since 2014. Furthermore, India can fire a nuke from the sea, land and air. Many of our fighter jets are nuclear capable, like the Mirage, Jaguar and Rafales. They can fire nukes from the sky. In addition, India has land-based missiles like Prithvi 2, Agni 1, 2, 3 and 4. And finally, our sea-based launchers, submarines like INS Arihant. They can fire nukes from the sea. In May 1998, India conducted 5 nuclear tests of advanced weapon designs at the Pokhran range in Rajasthan desert. After West imposed sanctions on India's nuclear tests, Pakistan accelerated its nuclear program in response. Project 706 was the code name of a research and development program to develop Pakistan's first nuclear weapons. The program was initiated by then Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto in 1974 in response to the Indian nuclear tests conducted in May 1974. Declassified documents by the CIA pointed out how India had planned to bomb Pakistan's nuclear plant at Kahuta. This was a covert operation planned by India that was shelved after international pressure. Secret documents revealed that the US ambassador to Pakistan handed over a letter by President Ronald Reagan to General Ziaul Haq, which warned Pakistan about a possible Indian military attack on Pakistan's nuclear reactor at Kahuta. When India found that Pakistan had immediately increased air defences around the Kahuta plant, it had to shelve its plan because the chief element of the strike plan was surprise, which was now lost. According to the latest report, among the 9 nuclear-armed nations, including the US, Russia, France, China, India and Pakistan, there has been ongoing modernization of nuclear arsenals, with several countries deploying new nuclear-capable weapon systems in 2023. The report states that Russia and the USA collectively possess nearly 90% of the world's nuclear weapons. Meanwhile, these nations have increased investment by a staggering 33% over the past 5 years, hinting at an emerging threat of global nuclear war. These nations allocated a total of $91 billion to nuclear capabilities in 2023, highlighting a significant rise in spending. The report by International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons has hinted at a nuclear arms race underway. Additionally, NATO is considering an increase in number of available nuclear weapons on standby. NATO is reportedly in talks to deploy more nuclear weapons, taking them out of storage and placing them on standby. With newly appointed for a second term, Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh hinting at a major shift in India's nuclear weapons doctrine, will New Delhi do away with its no first use of nuclear weapons policy in the near future?